and become an animal lover just like me. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit notifications for more videos. In today's video, we will be unboxing some mini Funko Pops. We've got some Disney Princess one and some Harry Potter ones. Which one should we do? This one. Okay. So on the back it says all the characters. You can pause the video to look at the checklist on the back. So let's open it and see. Oh my gosh, we got Merida. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Is there like a checklist in here? No, nothing else in there. It's on the back. So I guess technically we do have a checklist. I got Merida and she's down there. Right, and it says here you can actually take them out. I don't want to break it, so I'm just going to leave it inside. Let's go on to Harry Potter. Now guys, I love Harry Potter. Now again, you can pause the video and I wonder how many get. I would really want Harry Potter. So I do wonder, who did I get? Who did I get? Is that the right way? I got Nearly Headless Nick. He looks like a rare actually. Again, let's take that off. Oh, there we go. Oh, again, no checklist. I got that. He's 1 in 12. So guys, this is what we got in this video. Merida and Nearly Headless Nick in Harry Potter. Now guys, make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next one for more fun. Well, I'm gonna say that differently. For more animal-like fun, see you in the next one.